now let's discuss about the difference between FM and AM. So your FM, if you use frequency modulation instead of amplitude modulation, then it will give you safety from the noise, or you can say immune to noise. While if you use amplitude modulation, then it will not guarantee you from the outside noise. So it will not immune to noise. Okay, second difference is that the bandwidth of FM is large. Bandwidth of FM is large compared to compared to AM. So here a wide channel is required, and here you will be having a less wide channel. So what do you mean by wide channel, less wide channel? We will discuss in the upcoming numericals. So after this, we will solve some numericals. So we will discuss that over there. Third point is that this FM can operate on several channels on same frequency. Can operate on several channels on same frequency. So what is mean by channel? So if you want to transmit your signal, okay, so this is transmitter and this will be your receiver. So later on we will discuss about the digital and analog signal. So in digital we have two types binary value, that is 0 and 1. 0 means off, 1 means on. The 0 means down, 1 means up. So so let's say I want to transmit this data 10110. So if you use FM, then you will be have several channels. Several channel means this is first channel, this is second channel, this is third channel, this is fourth channel, and this is fifth channel. So we have several channels. So these bit will transmit will flow toward the receiver in parallel. Like after 1 second, if it reach from if one bit take 2 seconds from the transmitter toward the receiver, so after 2 seconds, this bit you will find this bit over here 10110. But if you use AM, then what will happen? This is transmitter, this is the receiver. So in AM we have less channel. So let's say we have 3 channels, and you need to transmit this data 10110. So you will first it will take 2 seconds. Okay, so you will transmit this 101, then it will take 2 seconds and reach over here. Then after this you will transmit 100. So it will take again 2 seconds. So here the flow of data take 4 seconds, and here the flow of data take only 2 seconds because of the benefit of these several channels. And that's why we are using mostly in your radio station, people use FM instead of AM. So like here you will receive voice clearly. In FM you will receive voice clearly, but here you will receive half voice and then wait 2 seconds, then after that you will receive the other half voice. So that is the problem. Okay, so okay, we use the FM in radio station. We use FM and TV broadcasting. While AM, we use AM in police wireless. Okay, so mostly we use this in police wireless. Okay, so here the bandwidth is large, so the number of radio station will be low. Later on we will discuss after this we will do numericals, so there you will get to know that how the number of radio station is high or low. So as the bandwidth is high, so number of radio station will be less. Here the bandwidth is low, so the number of radio station then is high. Here the quality of video or audio or information is good as compared to AM. Here the quality is not too much low.